Oh my God, this is the opposite. The last one was cozy in the type of way that you would want anything to be cozy. This is a different type of cozy. I don't think this is the type of cozy you want. I don't know. I might be wrong.
Why is this guy? Why is he so happy?
I might
this
be
is
wrong.
Not comfortable.
I might be wrong. Maybe somebody sees this as cozy, but I want you to imagine your next 10-hour flight in this position.
What?
Mo, go ahead.
Is that a bicycle seat?
That's airline travel.
Oh, for people?
Humans.
Okay.
He's so happy.
That's
He's like,
clearly too small. This is.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? He might seem happy, but that is not a happy position to be standing in.
Shout out
sitting in.
Shout out Subdeep. Because they're trying to save money. It's economy.
Okay, I'll pay a little extra. Give me room.
No,
man.
you won't. No, you won't.
You think I won't?
You're going here.
No.
They don't make normal seats anymore.
Hang on.
Hey, I'm kind of with you. In a sense that let's try it first. You know, we'll see
Really?
how it goes. I mean,
You
it
saying-
looks very uncomfortable, but let's.
We could
See.
find a market for it, is what you're saying. Or a market will appear itself.
I
for
mean,
this.
for me,
Well-
it's simply a time threshold because people will
Absolutely.
go on a subway train and they'll
Sure,
stand
yeah.
2 inches from each other.
But we're
if-
talking
if-
like
if
20
this-
minutes.
Yeah, but if this flight is 1 hour,
Okay.
1 hour, I don't know.
Right.
And what the cost is half because the seat is half.
The cost is half. Oh, the cost is definitely half. I don't know, man. I
Yeah.
don't know. People
Okay.
go on bike rides. It depends how claustrophobic you are.
Yeah,
Right,
I
yeah.
feel like it's a claustrophobic thing.
Because your knees are really touching in front of you, and there's the back
There's
of some
already no space this way.
the back of someone's head is gonna be right at your nostrils.
Yeah,
You're a claustrophobic type,
I am.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you're not doing it regardless.
No. It's not. You're not catching me here. Yeah, I don't know. I can't even imagine, even for that 1 hour flight.
You
I
don't
think
even like flights at all.
No, I don't mind flying.
You don't like 'em.
I just don't like airports. Airports are so confusing and so many layers.
Mm-hmm.
You have no clear exit strategy. I know you don't have an exit strategy on a plane either, but there is like a real panic inside of it. Like the deeper you go into an airport,
Interesting.
the more you're like, if something goes on, where do I go?
You're talking about airport phobia. It's well known.
Oh, is it?
No.
Okay.
It is a liminal space.
Yeah.
Well, you're going
Of
too far
course.
now. Well, you're going too far. Well, you're getting carried
I'm
away
sorry.
over there. You're getting carried
You got to
away.
pull it back.
You're way too liminal over there.
Yeah.
Listen, if it's definitely a time threshold thing, but it is unfortunate that what's happened in air travel because there used to be some real comfy chairs
Hmm.
and everything got about efficiency and it's like I get it, but yeah, no one's gonna select for this unless it absolutely has to be the case or the cost savings are so major
Right. Yeah.
that it's
And obviously not overseas.
makes sense. Also, I just don't take too many short flights. I mean, I haven't flown a lot recently at all, but I don't take that many short flights. Like New York, like would be the only one,
Right.
and then everything else is like I couldn't imagine
Too
being
long
that.
for this,
Yeah,
yeah.
everywhere else I would go, you can't. No thanks.
Yeah, I would imagine you can't recline as well.
No, because if you recline, that guy's dead. And that,
The guy behind you.
he's just gone. He's just gone. The guy is gone. If you're in the seat in front of him and you recline,
Man, I'd rather stand than deal with this.
somebody
seat.
said that in the chat, and maybe.
that
I mean,
looks like a workout.
But I mean, you could
To
stand. There's
maintain
no
that.
reason you can't stand there.
yeah.
It also right
That's true, yeah.
because he's crouched, so he'll probably go between standing and resting his butt.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna do a mixture of both.
But that's really close. Even the guy, if I'm this guy who's in front of him, I would be very uncomfortable if he's standing over me. Very
Yeah.
close.
Oh yeah. I know the back.
Just
of your-
breathing on your neck.
I told you the back of your head is on this guy's nostrils.
Oh man.
Smells
this is
everything.
no good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy.